Hey guys, so for this video we're going to be unboxing Best Buy's exclusive steelbook of Captain America, the first Avenger. This is in 4K and it comes with the Blu-ray with the digital code as well. This retails for $34.99 at the moment. I don't know if they'll actually have it online anymore because this is the last copy in my store when I went, so I think this steelbook is going to be pretty popular with the public. Here's a J card if you guys want to try and pause that, zoom in. I actually haven't seen this movie. Yeah, pretty sad. I know there was another batch of steelbooks like a couple of years ago, but they're like very, very expensive. But anyways, this steelbook is going to be all, I think it's like a metallic-y type look, and you can see his shield is kind of like metallic, and then his star, which is pretty neat too. It's a nice little feature they got going on there. Here's the back, same thing as well, matte / metallic. There's no embossing, and then you have the spine. And then we're gonna have the 4K disc right here, as well as the Blu-ray disc. And then here's the artwork on the inside of the steelbook. And then the full steelbook. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.